explain what we're doing today, Faith.
Go ahead.
You, if this is your car. This is the owner of this.
Stop. Delete it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, now explain what we're doing.
We're taking these out and putting these in so that I can cut the lenses off of here. I'm gonna swap the clear lenses from on here.
Okay, now that's the brand. Is this supposed to be a how-to or how not to do? Today, I had to change Cedric's light bulb for his tail light. And now, here I am working on Faith's tail light.
Personal mechanic, I guess.
What would they do without little old me?
I was helping too.
Sitting here because this motherfucker. I'm kidding.
My car died once.
On it. Bro, that thing almost tripped me.
This is what they look like for the meantime.
Safety is #1 priority.
As they're literally just sunglasses.
I am in the sun.
Tell you.
We're using this first. We're gonna see how this goes.
Yeah.
Don't cut the dog either.
No,
if you
I
have
will.
a dog, don't cut it.
Get out of here. Wow, look at that lens. Yeah, that looks so good.
There we go. Next one. Alright, hazards. Yeah, it's normal. We cut your OEM ones, and then you decided, oh look, they sell these. So now we're taking these out, and you have cut OEM lenses for no reason.
Yeah. What a shame.
Bolt?
Yeah.
You think this come with both? Okay.
Okay, y'all. How this work?
What?
Oh. I know what I'm doing.
No, you don't. This is nice. Put a little sealant in there. Just to be safe. We're using this. This is what I use on everything. Headlight related. I sealed mines with these. I sealed Cedric with these, and now we're sealing yours. So.
I'm looking for a eater, baby.
Get a load of this guy.
I just wait for the white rims.
Yeah. You want to do a sneak peek or no?
Sure. And I'll be lowered this weekend, maybe.
This is actually nice. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. These are real nice. I like how they're like matte. They're not too glossy.
And it looks so good on the car.
What size is this? 18 by... Or we don't give them the sauce. brought you some springs. We didn't even ask him to or anything. He just...
Yeah, he just dropped them off because he said I was too high.
But yeah, we appreciate him because that's crazy. Nobody just drops off free car parts. Very nice, very nice. That's big. It's very big of you.
It's healthy of me. You see that green stuff?
Yeah, these are nice though. So shout out to him. Cause that's crazy. He didn't have to do that and he dropped them off. New bumper, who this? How do you feel about the bumper?
I like it. It's nice besides that big gap right there.
What are we doing this weekend?
Slamming it.
All right, what are we doing? It's not even that bad. It's just dirt, greasy ass. This is the new to old. Pull it down. Okay, now hold it down, pull the clip out. All right, slide it off. There we go. Okay. Yup. Now go ahead, slide that clip.
Cut that out.
Oh my God.
Oh, I clipped it on there like that.
Okay, well, anyways, it's supposed to fit like this. Make sure these little teeth is upwards. And then, boom. Look at that. Old. New. Jesus Christ.
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
It's treacherous. Ooh, Porsche. No armrest. Huh? Oh. What'd I say? 75? 74. I don't even know what that is. Okay, here you go. Talk to the vlog. We'll get you in the background. Oh, there it is right there. It's a bug eye. That's what that's called?
Alright.
Yeah, blob eye, yeah. Ooh. It got a cluster in here. A manual cluster. That's probably worth some money. Mm-hmm. People love these Hondas. What got new struts on it? It's nice. I'd get one just for fun. It's XXRs. Look, he had hood pins. Had. Ooh. This is. This paint. What is this? Like, what is this?
Look at the hood. I mean, the windshield.
This is real bad. It got Honda under. It's a Gretty. Oh, it's kind of Oh, it's kind of messed up though. What? It's a manual? Look at these seats. So old.
That's the shit. No, damn. That's a way to shift.
Exactly.
What's the duct tape?
This would have been you in your Acura days.
Dirt. Still see.
Oh, he was definitely driving like that. He was definitely driving like that. That's crazy. The things you see.
Electrical tape all the way. What is duct? It is duct tape.
I'm so confused. How is it like this and he got a gritty exhaust?
That exhaust is not frivolous.
Oh, it's real rusty. These seats is nice though. These seats is nice. Yeah. No, it's a little pool. Think he's in here. Yeah. That's how you used to be.
This mesh windshield.
That's horrible. I mean, I guess it worked. But why? Oh my God, he loved tape. Oh, tape everywhere. Oh, it's real crunchy.
You got a hole through the floor.
What? Is that why I'm sinking? Oh, what the heck?
Surprised you ain't duct taped that.
I gotta see you get in there. No, just real quick.
That's dangerous. That's how he was running.
What the heck? Oh my God. This poor car. I can't believe this is on here. Oh, it isn't meant for this car. You was right. Mm-hmm. And where they cut the old hangers off? Is that a truck?
What? What's that? What? The paddle shifters? For what? For mine? I got paddle shifters? Where'd you get them off of?
A G that came in today.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I grabbed everything. I got you a little plate thing because we had to take your stuff apart. I got your antenna thing. I got you a new thing because you're missing it.
This for the...
Yeah, for the, you need all that. Alright, what's going on in the sky?
We're about to have a tornado,
Tornado.
severe storm warning, and this is what they're doing.
I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie.
Yeah, we'll get to going.
Okay, we have this. She has this. Oh, fuck. Up.
I don't even use this motherfucker, so
This.
my trunk don't even work.
Woo! Look at that. I feel that.
I don't even grab up here.
Alright, this is what happens when you have a coupe. Raggedy ass.
I heard they said if the sky is orange, you're gonna die. If the sky is green, get inside.
Who said that?
Someone on TikTok.
Now I can't really get in here because somebody put a TV. Huh? Did it? Did it what? What's that on? Put this back together. Why is the light flickering?
He's so fucking scared.
You move real fast.
I need to get the fuck home.
Yeah, don't you still gotta go home? Guess you're stuck with us, buddy.
Thunder buddy.
Fuck.
Bro, I don't understand. How
Just give it up. Oh.
What's that, baby? You got everything here besides the jack. Oh, you do got the jack.
Trying so hard.
Oh, snap.
Pop the hood for me. Well, it's open already. You can start dropping oil in. Oh, hell no.
She said you better get home. Dude. The siren is going off. That's crazy. che è installed.